In this video, we will be learning about the transgenic plants. Transgenic plant is a modified organism where the genes will be transferred from one plant to another plant through genetic engineering techniques. The first transgenic plant was actually created in the year 1994. So the main aim to produce these kinds of transgenic plant is to obtain a new kind of species that has ideal traits and to provide quality. Transgenic plants are the ones where the DNA will be modified through genetic engineering technique. The main aim is to introduce a new trait to the plant, which does not occur naturally in the species. Usually, a transgenic plant will always contain a gene or so many genes that have been artificially inserted in it. There are some examples for the transgenic plants. They include the maize, rice, brinjal, cabbage, cauliflowers, potatoes, and tomatoes. So the main goal for the transgenic plant is to provide the plant a new characteristic that does not arise naturally in the kind of plant. There are several different types for gene transfer. The main two methods to transfer the genes in the plants are agrobacterium mediates gene transfer, particle bombardment. The particle bombardment is also called as the gene gun method. Agrobacterium is a plant pathogen. It is also known to cause crown gall disease, which is nothing but the swelling in the plants just above the soil level. Once when this bacterium infects the plant, they transfer their genetic material into them, which eventually gets incorporated into the plant genome. For genetic engineering, the bacterium is incorporated with a TA plasmid with desirable genes and made to infect the plant. So the Ti plasmid will infect the plant and will get in connect with the genome of the general plant. The Ti plasmid is the tumor inducing circular plasmid that transfers the host chromosome to the plants and is also responsible for causing the swelling. The next method is the particle bombardment or the gene gun method. As the name suggests, in this method, the desirable gene is coated in a gold or tungsten particle and it is bombarded into the plant cells. Once bombarded, the sequence is incorporated into the plant cell, which can be proliferated by tissue culture method. There are some important applications of transgenic plants. The main application is resistance to biotic and abiotic stress. Biotic stress is imposed on plants as a result of the action of living beings such as virus, bacteria, pests, and pathogens. To relieve the plants from such kind of stress, they are incorporated with disease-resistant genes, which gives a better yield and quality to the crops. Abiotic stress, as a result of changes in the environment, causes great damage to the plants. Soil composition, humidity, water level, and temperature are the important factors for plant growth. Due to changes in the climate, all the factors seem to be altered. Thus, plants are incorporated with stress-tolerant genes for better production. Increased nutritional value. Biofortification is the process of increasing the nutritional value of the crop. Malnutrition is the problem in developing countries. As a solution, plants are engineered to produce crops of better nutritional values. Vaccines and antibodies have been obtained from transgenic plants. Factories for production of recombinant proteins. Recombinant human proteins have been produced using animal and microorganism systems. But due to some shortcomings, it has been shifted to the plant system. There are several different types of transgenic plants. The first one is golden rice. Golden rice was produced to overcome the deficiency of vitamin A in children. Using the gene gun method, rice species were incorporated with the genes which increases the vitamin A content in the rice grains. The next one is the BT cotton. BT cotton is a genetically modified crop that is resistant to pests. The next one is the brinjal, genetically modified tomatoes and potatoes. I hope you would have found the video to be useful. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Radhika.